So the objective, I think, is to kind of grow the skill level or develop the skill level of this entire region, because Asia historically has always been I wouldn't say the worst performing, but always the one that places in the lowest out of the different regions is the Americas, and then there's the Europeans, and then there's Asia usually. So Asia has historically always been kind of like the worst performing one out of all of them, and I think um, what we've started to realize, me and my coaches, was that it's gonna require the entire region to kind of work together to uh, teach everybody how to kind of bring up the level of competition in Asia in general for us to be able to compete against like Italy or France or like a Germany, or then eventually like Brazil and like the United States and Canada. So that was one of the, I think, main goal and motivation of this camp specifically. This was a lot easier because we kind of were familiar with a lot of the community members here, but we've been asked to kind of go to like the Philippines and Thailand and even China. So it's something that if we have time, we might do in the future. But overall the goal is still the same. We just kind of want to bring up the overall skill level of all the players in this part of the world.
Football yang saya lihat chemistry antar pemain sangat penting dalam satu tim. Nah, di saat misalnya kita punya tanggung jawab, kita harus membentuk sebuah tim.
I'm just asking about how men and women plays. Is it different or is it the same?
Training camp 3 hari ini bener-bener beda sih dari semua training yang pernah dilakukan sebelumnya. Banyak banget hal baru yang sebelumnya mungkin nggak pernah didapetin. Itu bener-bener mengasah skill lebih banyak lagi, dan itu menurut aku seru banget karena itu proves kalau misalnya flag football itu akan selalu ada hal baru untuk kita pelajari. Jadi ternyata ada banyak hal dengan skill set yang sama tapi diasah lebih jauh lagi, dan itu kayaknya hal yang paling berkesan sih selama camp 3 hari ini.
Untuk latihan training camp ini dari coach-coach Malaysia sangat seru ya, karena bisa ketemu teman-teman dari regional lain, dari Jakarta, dari Jawa Tengah, dari Jawa Timur, semuanya ngumpul di satu tempat untuk kita latihan bareng, karena latihan training camp kayak gini tuh jarang terjadi dilakukan oleh IFA kita atau komunitas kita gitu. Mungkin karena kita sudah dapat ilmu dari coach-coach dari Malaysia, mungkin dari regional lain kita bisa bikin sendiri gitu, training camp sendiri di regional kita sendiri. Karena mungkin yang sudah dapat training camp hari ini, ilmunya bisa dipakai untuk di regional lain, di regional sendiri-sendiri untuk bikin training camp sendiri gitu.